I've been really very passionate and super excited to use all the AI tools. I mean, just imagine what kind of era we are living. We have everything in place. We just need to know how to use it effectively. I was very passionate to learn if AI can coach me. And through the last 1 year, I have to tell you that I had been benefited by AI, especially ChatGPT, which I was using thoroughly immensely, right? And today I'm going to share 5 points that will help you to use AI effectively to coach yourself. First, we start with an example. Let's say the very common example is stress, right? So I am going through some kind of stress, right? And that's all. I don't know why, where it's coming from, how to, come out of the stress. So what do you write in, just open Chat GPT and you say, why stress happens? What are the reasons of stress, right? And Chat GPT gives you 10 points or, something like that. Now, when you read those 10 points, you will have one point with which, you are resonating more. For example, it says you have stress because there was an incident back sometime which you have not resolved. Okay, so you got, something that touches you, right? So what you do is you sit down and you write about that experience, maybe 1 page, all right? You just write your random thoughts. That's the first thing you're going to do. Is AI will help you put your thoughts together, which is called journaling. So the first way AI can help you is with that, okay? So you write your thoughts and you just copy paste that into the chatbot, like if you are using Chat GPT, and you say, help me to journal this better. Okay, whatever you have written, it will take the feed and you will be surprised. It will tell you why you are feeling like that, what exactly happened, how you can, change your belief to turn around it in a, more positive way, and how you can gain a positive outcome to that, right? So it does this in seconds, right? So you get the first thing is journaling. The second thing you can do with AI is reflection. Now, it has given you a structure, and then you might have like deeper question, you're not satisfied. So you can ask why do I feel like that? Why this happened to me? Why stress happens, or blah, blah, blah. You can ask a lot of why to the chatbot, right? And hence you can have a conversation which will take you deeper, which is the second point, is the reflection, okay? And the third point, how AI can serve as a personal coach, is after you get all these things, you need to now need a tool. Like, can AI, can you give me some tools that will help me to integrate this experience better? For example, can you give me an affirmation? Can you give me like a quote? Can you give me, like a guided meditation where, I can come out of this more easily? Okay, so that's the third thing, creative, creating a tool out of that, okay? And then the fourth method is, which I love, right? You can tell AI to act as a person. I call it imitation. You can tell AI, if you were, let's say, the poet Rumi, or you were, let's say, Einstein, how would you have dealt with this situation, right? So this is a lot of creativity that opens up, the fun really begins, and you will see, you'll be amazed to know. So, all you need to do is use the right prompts, because, sometimes generic prompts give like a static answer. So if you can train yourself to give the right prompts, you will get the right answers, right? And then the fifth point is deep conversation. So whatever you had, what I told you right now, you can use these methods to dive deeper. You can tell AI that I want to go deeper into this subject. Can you help me? Right? And you can, expand on each point, expand on each understanding. And, this is a really, really deep process you can do for yourself. Now, all these things comes with a caution. Please understand, AI does not have a conscience of its own, right? AI is not an individual, right? It's a machine, right? It does not have a conscience. That's the difference between a machine and us. I don't know in future if there will be some combination of AI and a human that will come, but at this moment, like my iPhone or the MacBook does not have a conscience, right? So it is not a human. We need to take actions from our conscience, right? So, and that conscience can only be generated or can be upgraded to the regular practice of meditation, right? So I definitely believe in meditation. Like, you sit, close your eyes, and you watch your breath. This watcher that is developed, which is watching the intelligence. So first is the watcher and then the intelligence, right? And I'm talking about that watcher that we need to develop in us. And this will guide us. This is the original guidance, but definitely all these other work can become much more easier. It can help you to create a habit, build a lot of things that will help you to aid your journey, accelerate your journey 10x. So tell me how you like this video, and if you have any suggestions which you can add to this. I'll see you in the next video.